Hi everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use what3words in West Parry Sound Geography Network. So this is an interactive mapping app that displays what3word addresses anywhere you set the cursor and helps you find, search, and share exact locations in the format of what3words addresses. So let's see how it works. If you hover around, now you can see the 3-word address of where my cursor is in the bottom right corner of the screen. So also you can click anywhere on the map and see the 3-word address of the location get displayed in the top left corner of the screen. So if you click on the 3-word address, you will be redirected to the what3words web map. You can also search for a 3-word address by clicking on the search bar button here and entering the 3-word address in the search bar. So let's enter, for example, neutrally Moguls epic. And now the spin is dropped where this location is. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.